Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Turbo community. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for sticking around and showing tremendous amount of love. Continue supporting and you will see the continuation of these updates on Turbo. But before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Speaking about meme coins, as we are going into Friday morning, how have I just completely forgotten about the upcoming weekend? My apologies. But anyhow, if you're looking at the market going into specifically Friday morning, you're starting to see meme coins gaining a lot of traction. Seeing meme coins actually leading the way: Dogecoin, Popcat, Mew, Floki, Mog, Sheeb. You guys get the idea as to what's really happening. But what's really crazy right now? I want you guys to actually think about this, because as I'm looking at the top 100, start to realize how many meme coins have actually made it to the top 100, which is absolutely crazy to think about. You're seeing 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pretty much 8, like 10 or 10 plus meme coins are in the top 100, and that really shows you how serious meme coins are being treated, and how excited people really are towards these memes. But let's focus on Turbo and see what is happening with the price of Turbo, and of course what is yet to come. Looking at the price, it's still maintaining above that 1 cent mark, to be exact, 1.065 cents. Down about 2.5% in Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum comparative. Market cap is at about 734.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $237.2 million. Taking a look at the broader meme coin market, yet again, we're seeing the meme coin market as a whole actually hitting some crazy prices in terms of market valuation. We're currently sitting at $62 billion. Look at Dogecoin in just the last 24 hours, up a staggering 11%, and we're talking about the biggest meme coin in the meme coin category. So let alone in terms of the Dogecoin move, that has added about $2+ billion to the market valuation of the entire meme coin market, and that really tells you something about the meme coins. But anyhow, looking across the board last 7 days, it's no secret how good these assets are performing. Turbo, I think, in the top 10 to top 15 meme coins, it is the top performer, up a staggering 70.7%, despite seeing a little bit of a retracement within its price. So meme coins pretty much across the board are up double digits. Some are obviously down, but majority of these memes are performing great over the course of the last 1 week. But let's focus on what's happening with the Bitcoin price, with the dominance, and with the price of Turbo, and obviously make some predictions as to what really could be the next target for the price of Turbo. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin dominance ended up hitting none other than a new yearly high, something we've been speaking about on the channel, quite a bit. And this does not come as a surprise to me, because specifically, if you're looking at what happened with Bitcoin, Bitcoin was able to hit none other than a new monthly high at $68,400. Again, it is a resistance, and if that is able to clear out, I think Bitcoin could start heading towards the likes of $69,000 to even $70,000 really fast, and that is going to make a massive statement. And if Bitcoin price is able to close above $69,000 tomorrow, I do project we do see an all-time high in the upcoming week or so. Would not come as a surprise to me at all. I think whales could actually push the price of Bitcoin towards a new all-time high, and then leading up to the election, maybe a 5 or 6 days, maybe a week before the election, we actually see the broader market going down, because of course uncertainty is still really, really high for the broader market. But with that said, let's focus on what's happening with Turbo. So Turbo did exactly what we projected. Remember how I talked about, if we do see dominance hitting a new yearly high, could see Turbo shaking out towards the down 99.61 zone. Look at that. You can't make this up. We dropped down to that zone, and saw a bounce from that price point. And what did this show us? This showed us that, that previous all-time high back in May played as a level of support, because you could see we retested that and have seen a little bit of a bounce. And speaking about a bounce, we saw Turbo go up about, you could say, 10% after retesting at that support line. And if I were to zoom in, as of now, the price is not looking as bad as you might think. It is reacting to this Bitcoin move. As Bitcoin broke towards, the monthly high, you are seeing Turbo reacting in a positive way despite dominance sitting this high. And this shows me that the strength is still on its side. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, we are about 30% away for the price of Turbo to hit a new all-time high, which again, is not a small move by any means. 30% is, quite a big move. Requires, more volume, and obviously not much, Bitcoin dominance going up this high, and, Bitcoin seeing volatility. Of course, that does not help, but I still do believe Turbo does have, more upside in itself, especially, retesting that $1 billion market valuation. The reason as to why I say that is because I look at, coins that are in a similar category, such as look at none other than our good old friend, what is it called? Nero coin. What I mean by that Nero coin is, Nero coin is one of the projects that has, gone absolutely parabolic after being listed on Binance. And, we saw Turbo getting listed the same exact day. And, Nero had a sharp pullback, and then, it's made its way back up. So we could actually see that happening. And remember, nothing goes up straight forever. Profit taking will happen. At the end of the day, meme coins generally see bigger drops compared to, altcoins. And this is why, if you are not locking those profits in, you are, making a massive mistake, in my opinion. If you're just listening to some trolls on Twitter talking about how Turbo is going to go to some crazy, unrealistic price predictions, and, it's not smart to lock in profits until it gets to that price point, well, let me tell you, and this is, my opinion based off of 8 years of experience in this crypto market. Never listen to other people when it comes to profit taking. If you think, you want to lock some profits in because the money that you are looking in your portfolio is just too much that you cannot afford to lose, well, guess what? Listen to your gut. Lock those profits in. 99.9% of these meme coins are not going to be here to stay. Obviously, people in the Turbo community, the ones that are mega moon boys, are going to be like, Crypto ZX, what are you talking about? Turbo is going to be here to stay. Absolutely, you cannot be certain about that. We're going to find out once this bull market concludes, and then we'll see which ones are the blue chip coins. So, very, very important to lock those profits in on your way up. Cannot stress this enough. But so far, so good in terms of the momentum right now. Still like the way it's holding right now. Have some stop losses in place just in case. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think about Turbo. Where do you see the price of Turbo going? And yeah, if you have not hit that red subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button and share this video. And yeah, come join the Crypto ZX army. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.